Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burger banner in Minecraft. First, you'll need to craft a plain white banner using 6 white wool and 1 stick. Once you have your banner, head over to a loom. Place the white banner in the loom's first slot. Next, add a brown dye to the second slot. Choose the base gradient pattern to create the bottom bun of your burger. This sets the foundation for our delicious design. Now that you have the bottom bun, let's add the top. Keep your banner in the loom. Grab another brown dye and place it in the dye slot. This time, select the top gradient pattern. This will add a matching brown layer to the top of your banner, perfectly forming the top bun of our burger. You're doing great, and it's starting to look like a tasty treat. With both buns in place, it's time for the delicious patty. Keep your banner in the loom. Now, you'll need a black dye. Place the black dye into the dye slot. Look for the horizontal stripe pattern that covers the middle section of the banner. Select this pattern to create the dark, savory meat layer of your burger. It's really taking shape now, isn't it? Finally, let's add some vibrant toppings to complete our burger banner. For lettuce, use a green dye and apply the wavy border pattern. If you want cheese, grab a yellow dye and select a diagonal stripe pattern. Feel free to experiment with other colors and patterns, like red for tomatoes or white for onions, to personalize your perfect Minecraft burger. Enjoy your custom creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.